Welcome to Morocco's Blue City. Let's get lost on purpose.
First quest. Find the quietest blue lane before the crowds.
This blue isn't a filter. It's daily life.
I've got 7 quests, starting right here.
Rule 1. Slow down. Chefchaouen rewards patience.
Before filming someone's home.
Quest 2. Find a breakfast spot locals actually use.
Smell, you don't ignore that.
Start with bread and calm.
This is the heart of the Blue City.
Pour is part of the performance.
Okay, energy unlocked, back to the maze.
Keep it respectful around mosques, quiet and discreet.
This is the shot I came for.
Up close, you can read the city's layers.
Blink and the lanes change mood completely.
And there, silence again.
كان صوبوها باليد كتخوض الوقت.
These patterns carry stories, not trends.
Inside the Kasbah to reset the pace.
A hidden pocket of green in a city of blue.
This is where you breathe.
Even the signs look softer in blue.
We made it. Chefchaouen's water heartbeat.
This sound could loop forever.
Final boss quest, the sunset viewpoint.
Look at that blue spreading like paint.
Slow steps, save the awe for the top.
This is why we climbed.
Chefchaouen at sunset, it feels unreal.
Okay, quest list was worth it.
Next, we return to the blue maze at night.
Night mode. The blue turns into velvet.
Even the Kasbah feels softer at night.
Complete. The city's night heartbeat.
Tomorrow, we hunt the blue lanes at sunrise.
Sunrise quest. The bluest street with 0 people.
Quest. Build breakfast from the street. Fresh juice hits different after a dawn walk. blue makes every color pop.
Shukran.
Shukran, small word, big door opener.
Quest. Reach a rooftop cafe without getting lost.
Rooftop unlocked. This is the blue ocean.
Chefchaouen tastes like slow mornings.
New rule. The maze decides today.
Quest. Find one item made by hand. Watch it being made.
Every stitch is time you can feel. City feels like a living painting.
Quest. A comforting tagine. Nothing fancy.
Different blues, same spell.
Quest. Find the real Chefchaouen, where people live.
Not every moment needs a landmark.
Open back. Sunset round 2, new angle.
Same square, new light, totally different energy.
It's happening. The maze is changing colors in real time.
Quest. Rooftop for the last golden minutes.
This looks like a sea made of streets.
Everything feels close and endless.
Even the tea is filming the city.
Welcome.
Chefchaouen hospitality is quiet but real.
This city hides little pockets everywhere.
Quest. Collect 5 door knockers. Chefchaouen style.